Hi guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my review of the Aritaum Full Coverage BB Cream. This has a SPF of 50 and it is anti-aging and whitening. This is a Korean beauty product. I did buy mine off eBay. You can buy yours off Amazon. I'll list the two links down below for you guys, and I think there's a couple other websites that you can buy it off of, but it only comes in two shades that I could find off of eBay and Amazon, and it is supposed to be a full coverage BB cream. It is all Korean on the back, so I can't really give you any information. The shade I have is in 2 Natural Beige, and I am wearing it right now. I will pop a demo in so you guys can see what it looks like and how I apply it. I have found the best way to use this foundation is to use your fingers to apply it. It applies everything evenly, smoothly, and it just makes everything look a lot better for some reason. I don't like using a sponge or a brush with this. With a brush it looks streaky, and with a sponge it just pulls up the BB cream, and then I end up with patchiness and it just doesn't look good at all. I do feel like this is a good color match for me in shade 2. I didn't buy shade 1. I don't really know if shade 1 would be better, but I feel that shade 2 does look good and it does help to cover my redness for the most part. I have wore this actually to bed and not had any issues with it like making me have pimples. Like I've only did this once, but if I had wore a regular foundation, I would have woke up with a zit fest all over my face. So it is really nice. I haven't really noticed any whitening or anti-aging properties really about it. I've been using it for about 2 months, and I do feel like it does give decent coverage, especially for a BB cream, and I do like it, and it does have an SPF of 50. I do tend to set this with a loose powder just to pull down on some of the tackiness. It dries, but it takes it a good while to dry down because it is a BB cream, and I have noticed that, I just want to be able to set my face, be able to, get on with the rest of my makeup, and if I wait for this to completely dry down, it's going to take forever. Would I buy it again? I would probably say yes if I wasn't testing out other things. I do like it for the quick days of just slapping something on my face, because a lot of products I don't like using my fingers to apply. I would rather use a brush or a sponge, but this I don't really mind it because of the finish that it gives, and it does cover my redness. So if you're wanting to purchase a BB cream, I definitely would recommend this one, and I would recommend using a small amount. I did use a good amount in the video, but it does blend out beautifully. It blends into the skin. I have not had any issues with it not wanting to blend unless I used a brush or a sponge, and I've already told you guys about that. So you can build this up, but the only thing is you need to be very careful. I tend to do like patting motions on my face if I'm trying to build up a specific area and it makes it easier. That way I'm not removing the additional coverage from underneath, because you can do that with this, and it's very touch and go. So if you're just wanting to put something on really quick and easy like I did today and just throw something on, then it's definitely a good product to have. If you're just wanting a nice BB cream, I do feel like this is a nice BB cream, and out of all of the BB creams I have tried, I've not had any reactions to this one, which is a plus. And I have not had any issues with breakouts or anything like that. My skin stays very, very nice, very clear. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. I really actually like this product. And that's it. So please leave me a comment down below if you have tried this, if you liked it, if you hated it, if you couldn't get it to work, because I almost gave up. Because I was like, I don't want to use my fingers, but your fingers are your best friend when it comes to this product. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, bye guys.